When developers need parallelism in Python, they often reach for third-party libraries. But Python's standard library already includes a powerful solution, concurrent.futures. The concurrent.futures module is part of Python's standard library since version 3.2. It provides two main classes, ThreadPoolExecutor and ProcessPoolExecutor. Both implement the same executor interface, making it easy to switch between threading and multiprocessing strategies. You import it like any standard module, and you're ready to parallelize your code. The architecture is simple but powerful. Your main program submits tasks to an executor which manages a pool of workers. These workers execute your functions concurrently and return future objects that represent pending results. When a task completes, you retrieve the result from the future. This abstraction hides the complexity of thread or process management. ThreadPoolExecutor uses threads, making it perfect for I/O-bound tasks like web requests, file operations, or database queries. Since threads share memory, they're lightweight but limited by Python's global interpreter lock. ProcessPoolExecutor uses separate processes, ideal for CPU-bound tasks like data processing or mathematical computations. Processes bypass the GIL by running in separate memory spaces, giving you true parallelism on multiple cores. The executor base class provides two essential methods. Submit lets you schedule individual tasks and returns a future immediately. Map applies a function across an iterable, similar to the built-in map function but concurrent. Both methods give you flexible ways to parallelize your workload. Remember, concurrent.futures is your standard library solution for parallelism. ThreadPools for I/O, ProcessPools for CPU tasks. Practice using both executors to master Python concurrency. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.